Hello everyone, in this video we're going to talk about how to electronically sign PDF documents. So we're going to go to adobe.com/acrobat/online/signedpdf.html and then we're just going to get sent to this site where we have to select a file that we want to sign. So once we've selected our file, we can see the preview here. Mine is just a simple Hello World Part 1 document, it's nothing special. And then it's going to ask us to sign in, so we can just use sign in with Google or an Adobe account. So once we've signed in, it's going to open our document and we can go in the top left corner and press on e-sign. We're just going to skip this. And then it's going to be able to add a signature or initials. I'm just going to choose signature. And then we can type our name like this. We can draw it. Or we can paste an image of it. So I'm just going to put it like this, and then we can select where we place it, and then you can resize it, change the font, and yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how you sign in a PDF document. Anyways, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to leave a like, share, and subscribe, and see you in the next one. Goodbye.